I'm waiting for the crows to shut the fuck up so that I'll vlog. I just feel thankful that Uddhav Thackeray watched my previous vlogs and I told him that I was not able to sit at home. Now that the lockdown is semi-open and I guess you can now expect the good old vlogs. So I present you the first person. Are you speechless right now?
I don't know, I've not done this in the first 2 months. I totally
Remove your mask and then speak.
You cannot remove your mask. It's coronavirus time, please.
Okay, people who are going to shit at us. Shit on yourself, okay? No, I'm not. No extreme.
No. We don't have that much use, please.
Okay, I mean, guys, you now have the opportunity to come walk and run till 7
We
o'clock.
are not being careless. We have
Yeah.
sanitizer in our bag. We are carrying a mask. We are just out for a walk. We're gonna go back in an hour. I feel like my legs are not working anymore. I'm so done with this shit. I want to walk.
Now I've realized after watching my previous vlogs, I used to speak shit. I still be speaking shit. And thank you guys for listening. Thank you for waiting 8 vlogs of me just shooting on terrace. I feel everyone should get a Dundee award for surviving the 2 months without friends.
2.5 months.
Yeah, 2.5 months.
And to the people who had friends to roam with, or not roam with,
Live with.
quarantine with, better
Oh my
one,
God.
quarantine with, fuck y'all.
Fuck yeah. I even want to confess something. Is it wrong that somewhere I didn't want Tulu to get a job because I think that the distance will increase?
You think we don't know that already? You think we don't know that already? We
I
know
have
already.
attachment
Even Tulu knows
issues.
it. We all know how much of a big attachment hoe you are. And you
Yeah.
cannot deal with people going away, people not being around you.
I have attachment issues. So now when Tulu said that she got a new job, I had the negative thoughts
Not a
that
new job, her first job.
her first job.
Her
sorry.
first job.
But then yesterday, last night, I was telling my own self, even Swastika got a job, but we're still hanging out. So even if my friends get a job, that doesn't mean that our friendship will be over.
Sunda is gonna get a job because she needs some money.
I might get a part-time job. I really want to work in a food chain. I don't know. But I have this fear also that what if I start working at McDonald's and I start hating McDonald's and all my friends will
It
be
doesn't
hating
work
me.
like that.
It does work like that.
It works like that only if you eat it every day.
But if I'm going to see the food, don't you know this?
No, it doesn't work like that.
Oh my god. For people who can relate, if you cook your own food while cooking it, you start feeling lazy about your own food and you don't feel like eating it. Because Pillu can relate to this.
But if you eat the same food every day, yes, then it'll be boring. But who's asking you to eat the same McDonald's every day?
But if you work it, make the burger every day, the hype for the burgers and the fries will go down. I feel this way. Maybe I'm overthinking it already.
Yeah, I think that. You're overthinking.
Second poem, Barish Hai Cham Cham Cham.
बारिश आया चिम चिम तेगर चाहता निकले
Chotto. I'm saying Chotto. Thank you, Tia. Give me kissy, but chupa chup. Me, give me kissy. Not chupa chup kissy. Thank you. Oh my god, look at my hair. It's a beautiful hair day. By the way, hit the like button if you guys belong to the floor gang, because I belong to the floor gang. It's been ages we guys have talked. It's been 3 weeks. I have not uploaded a vlog. I haven't forgotten you guys. I still love making vlogs. I just wanted to take some time off and I wasn't feeling to vlog again because I was not allowed to go down. Even if I'm allowed to go down, it's quite irritating because I cannot sit anywhere and I cannot go to my friend's house, but I'm still trying to vlog and I missed you guys. I have something to tell you guys because I haven't shared with you guys specifically that I am bisexual. I didn't think that it was a very big deal. The reason I'm sharing it with you guys is that I made a TikTok. I had only 100 followers. So I made a TikTok saying that I was a bisexual. I am a bisexual. And I was not expecting the TikTok to blow up as I was having only 100 followers. And now it has 4,20,000 views, which means those people know that I'm bisexual, and it was very unfair for you people on my YouTube, which are like the community and the family which we have, not knowing the bigger part of my life. My friends were really open about it. They never judged me when I told them that I was bisexual. They accepted me as who I was. I think it's quite easy for us right now, for this generation. I cannot talk for all the people and the toxic family members and the orthodox people we have, but at least friends are quite open about this. And yeah, I just wanted to share. I felt like, oh my god, I'm finally opening up to you guys. And this, I thought that I don't want to make a big deal out of it, like a coming out video or anything. But I do like girls. Oh my god, they're so hot. And I do like boys also. Being bisexual is tough. It's like more of a course. I wish I could either be lesbian or a straight. Being in between is quite difficult. Not talking for all the people, just talking my personal experience. Oh my god, I feel so relaxed. Now you guys know about my sexuality and it's great to know. And I'm so sorry for not sharing you guys before. Sharing it with TikTok people. It has 30,000 likes and almost 1,000 shares on TikTok. I am a hypocrite. I know I used to say I hate TikTok. I will never install the app because I used to think that only Indians use TikTok and there are only Indian cringy TikToks or only cringy videos on TikTok. But now, oh my god, in this quarantine, the app is helping me so much and I have hit 1,700 followers on TikTok. Oh my god, that's a huge number. And even, I'm so excited to say this, but we even crossed 1,000 followers on Instagram. To get followers on Instagram is the toughest part. I was struggling so much to get followers, but now as the TikTok video blew up, I got new subscribers on YouTube as well. What is this? What is this?
Put your mask.
It was such a good surprise and Rhythm didn't even told me to switch on my camera.
Because we...
How are you outside? How did a mom allow?
It was a very sudden plan.
I was saying, oh my god, last night I was like, oh my god, I haven't vlogged with Tullu since ages and 4 months you've not been in my vlogs. Guys, if you forgot, this is Tullu. Rhythm kept telling me that we're getting late. We're supposed to leave. I'm like, the fuck, why was he waiting till 5 o'clock to leave the house?
Yeah,
This was the surprise. Tullu promised me that the next pandemic you will be living with me and
I
not
don't
with
want
your
another pandemic and you're like, yeah, next pandemic.
That should not jinx it. She has black tongue according to my friend. Who this fuckboy in the new town?
Excuse me.
Hoodie with a- You have an iPhone also.
Actually, yes.
You should tell us how you feel. After 4 months you're seeing the sky.
Walking.
You feel walking.
Filal, my chappal is irritating. I've forgotten what is pants and what is chappal. The chappal is irritating.
No, the worst part about this quarantine was Tullu was not able to see the sky. And now you can see the sky. And some good guys, but no foreigners. Bad luck.
That is, I choose to ignore that part. Filal, outside air is important.
Quarantine was supposed to make us look beautiful, but it's the opposite.
It's not good here day to day.
You need the pollution.
We need the
You
pollution.
need the pollution.
Mumbai people need pollution. Rhythm told me let's go for a walk. And I was coming here and I saw Tullu, but my camera was not fucking on. But I screamed. I was happy to see my friends. Other than Rhythm, I'm so bored of Rhythm's face. But I have no other clue. I need people in my life other than my family. I don't know how can people be family obsessed.
Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is family obsessed? Please, I want to meet you. I'll fucking smack you in the fucking face right there.
Friends obsessed. Okay? I need friends to breathe. I just farted, sorry. I'm getting famous on all the platforms and thank you to you guys. Just shut the fuck up. Oh my god, I look so beautiful today. Do I like the stereotype girl? Would you guys love me if I was like a stereotype girl? I don't think so. I wouldn't love my own self if I was a typical stereotype girl. But now that my hair is growing, it's growing. I love you guys. We spoke after such a long time. Bye.